Hello friends, as you see, this is a small pattern in Python. When we talk about pattern in Python, this is the simplest one. Let's see how to make this pattern in Python. So I want to raise this and want to have a for loop for a in range of, let's have a range of 1 and 6. Another for loop for y in range of 6, x and -1. Let's print this. While we print this, asterisk sign will be here, and after that let's have a function here. It will be an empty string. Let's print one another empty. So let's run this, see how it prints or not. Yes, obviously it has printed. See, simple pattern here. So here we have for loop for x. This is a variable, x is a variable in range of starting from 1 goes till 6. So another for loop we have for y in range of 6 and x. This variable has taken from here. Each time when it loops, it takes from here 1 2 3 4 5 6. So after that -1 means start from -1 or from opposite side. So this is a printf. So this is asterisk sign whenever this for loop and this for loop runs. So this asterisk will be printed, and after that this end empty string end is equal to empty string. It means after each loop, so it should take a new line. After this printf, so this is an empty printf. So let's have another one that will be let's take the same one as, for example, when we print like this. Sometimes you have seen somewhere a pattern like this: 1 1 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 and 5. Let's see how to print this one. Again, same in range of 1 and 6. One other for loop we have for y in range of 5. This time x -1 and -1. And if here x, we now print the x because x will be the value 1 2 3 4 5 like this, and an empty string here. Let's have another print, an empty print. Let's run this code. We see whether that result will be given to us or not. When we run, obviously same result has given to us.